Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? We discussed completely in this video, my friend, the Filecoin price target. Can they will reach, my friend, our target or not? You also share your opinion and a comment box in the end of video. So let's get started with video. We predicate this coin. I will share my opinion and absolutely I will tell you the price target, my friend, in 2022. So Filecoin price this time you can see 69.54%. I think it's an 70 USD dollar. It's a very near my best and 70 USD dollar. So my brother, I already opened it. The last 20-year chart is on the screen. But my friend, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. TBS channel will guide you every time now. My brother, as you can see at this time, the last 20-year chart is on the screen, and at the start of this, my friend, you can see especially in last 3 months, I think, yes, something 3 months to 4 months, you can see, my friend, Filecoin will make records, my friend. You can see here they're starting moving upward now in last 3 months. So Filecoin price will move up very fastly, and Filecoin price is come to, my friend, 200 USD dollar. It's a very huge target, my friend. You can see here. So already this coin has hit, my friends, 2 USD dollar. So it's mean, my friends, so this is possible to upcoming time they will hit 2,240 USD dollar. But it is possible to my friend, it is possible to my friends holder or hold it. And I have also, my friend, invest for a long time for. So therefore, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, then I think Filecoin is one of the good coin in the crypto market and stable coin, my brother. When they fails down, my brother, then absolutely after fails they take a very huge jump now, and they will give you again this profit now, my friend. So holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the Filecoin will move off and they will give you a very good profit now. So you need to hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Filecoin holder. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.